Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can create or change your account on Township, and how you can have possibly two Township accounts on one device. So let's get right into it. Township is a very interesting little game created by Playrix, which is very similar to games like Farmville, Farmville 2, which is currently active, Farmville 3, and so on and so forth. And it is basically a town/farm building game in which you can make your own township and expand it through playing the game, collecting resources, and so on and so forth. Now, it does require an account for you to play. You can, I think, access it as a guest. However, you can connect your account, whether it be through Facebook or Google Play. And now I'll show you how you can change that account on your device. As you can see, I'm using a Reddit thread because it is simply more practical for me to do it this way, because my recording software for my phone is a bit problematic at the moment. Now, as you can see, this user gave a really easy answer. This guy has two towns, and he has two different accounts on his phone. And there is a way to access another account. You do need to create another profile. And the way you change your account is you go into settings, user profile. Once you're there, you configure your phone like it was the first time and put your second email account. You do log into another Google Play Store account. You need to move your one game town to the other. You need to switch your user profiles, and you can achieve this, and you can change your account by deleting, I think, your game memory from your device. Your progress will be saved and linked to your account, so you don't have to worry about that. But once you clear your game data on your device and change your email on your Google Play settings, you will have access to a completely fresh account, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and are satisfied with this tutorial, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.